Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my network cable tester slash tracker from Bside. It comes in this nice carrying pouch. Let's open it. And inside we're going to find the transmitter, the receiver, two cables, and one user manual. Okay, first let's take a look at the user manual. We have it in English and in Chinese. Okay, let's take it step by step. Okay, we have a brief description. These are the controls, general technical parameters, function instructions, wire tracking, network cable collation, line level, continuity test, status of telephone line test, and so on. Okay. Okay, enough about this. Okay, this is made by Bside and the product number is FWT81. This is the transmitter, this is the receiver. Okay, you have two cables. You can the main thing you can do with this toy is cable tester and cable finder. I'm going to show you in a second. So here we have RJ45, RJ11 for the telephone. You take this cable, put it like this. You have an RJ45 here, and we put this on network, and we're gonna press test. As you can see, the cable is okay. Good. Now, the other thing you can do is cable finder. This is useful if you're a network technician and your network outlet is not it doesn't have any writing on it. It's outlet number 1, 2, or 3, and you don't know which cable is which. You go and you plug this in the network outlet, go to scan, and with this one you go to the patch panel and you find the cable like this, and you press on this and listen. There you have it. You find it. This is the cable you are looking for. This is very important. Okay, the other thing you can do with this one, you have a flashlight. See, so you can see which cable is which. Okay, you can do also this one with the telephone line. Okay, with the telephone line you can see if the telephone line is okay. You plug in the telephone line here in RJ11, and if you have a tone, this LED will light up. Okay, you can check for the continuity. You put the dial here on continuity, and then if we have a wire here, there you go. See, continuity. In order to operate this, you need two 9-volt batteries, which are located here and here. Okay, there you have it, guys. I bought this from Banggood and I paid for it $27 with shipping. You will find the link in the description. If you like my video, Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will not miss my next video. And of course, have a nice day.